Okay, Alpine Android GPS car player. To change your player language, go to setting. Okay, system. Language and input. Language. So you can change a multi-language. Okay, example. Add on Melayu. Tambah Melayu Bahasa. Okay, you add on. So if you want to change for the Bahasa Melayu system, move up. So system you change for Melayu. The text will change. Okay, go to setting. Tetapan system setting. Okay, system. Bahasa and input. Change language. Okay, if you want now change to Chinese, so 换去中文，把你中文的输入中文语言拉上去 move up the Chinese. Okay, now it's a simple Chinese. So the text will change to Chinese. Okay, go to 系统设置 setting. Now all will change to Chinese. So you have to go to 系统 system. 语言与输入法 language and input. Okay, 语言 this is a change language. Okay, you have to move out. Okay, now it's English United States. Okay, you can add on a multi language. Okay, for key input, you can select for the Google Pinyin input for Chinese typing or Google Voice typing, or you have to manage your key. So this video is for how to change language for Alpine car Android GPS player. Thank you.